Hey, it's Diego with Aim Shoot Develop. Today I'm talking about how to get this effect on your instant images. I genuinely don't know what to call it, but it's basically where the image is nice and intact and then the background has the details of the image much larger. My last video was talking about how to scan Polaroids using a 3D printed adapter and a flatbed scanner. This video will be entirely on the phone, so it'll be a few applications that you would need, and it does work not only for Polaroid, but this will also work for Instax Mini, as you can see there, and Instax Wide. So we're gonna get right into it. The first application that you will need is an application called PhotoScan by Google. This application is available for both Android and iOS, so definitely check it out. So what you need to do is get your image in square, make sure to avoid any kind of glares, as you can see on the left, and have it nice and well lit. Obviously, this isn't as good as the Polaroid app, but this will work for all formats, not just for Polaroid. So Fujifilm Instax, Instax Mini, and Instax Wide. There you just follow the on-screen instructions and follow the circles. Make sure not to tilt the phone, keep it at the same tilt angle. I did give it a few other tries. You can alter it after you've done it, but you can tinker with it or even try doing it multiple times to getting it to what's on par with you. The next application is called Photoshop Mix by Adobe. You will have to make an Adobe account or log into your existing one. All this does is allows access throughout computers, so if you can go from computer to mobile with projects to export them really quickly. All you have to do once you get it open is locate the image that you want to do, click on it, and then you are good to go. We'll get to the next step as we get there. Okay, it's pretty much following these steps. Open up the image, click on the actual image itself on the right there, hit duplicate to make another one, hit the plus tab, and then go to color, and then just select black. Go ahead and get that top black layer and drag it to the bottom. With the top image, go ahead and select that, and then drag from a corner down to make it smaller. What you want to do is center it using the little clip guidelines. It'll tell you when it's nice and center. And then with the second one behind that selected, go ahead and expand it to what you see fit. You can pretty much get the details that you want. I thought selecting both people on the back there would be nice and cool for the composition. With the second layer, go ahead and turn down the opacity. This is gonna make the top image pop a little bit more. This is totally optional. You don't have to use that black layer and the opacity to make it lighter, but all it does is tone it down a bit to make it more transparent, and the black makes the top image pop. This is definitely just preference. You can do it either or way, but this is kind of how you can do it. And then you can just do the little details like moving the second bottom layer around and just getting it just right. You're obviously not just limited to the same picture, doing it twice. You can go and put another picture in the background, a solid color, a gradient. You can do whatever you want to pretty much make these pictures pop. I just wanted to make this quick tutorial to show you how to do it on mobile. You're not limited to just trying to do it on Photoshop on the computer. You can also do it on mobile. If you have any other ideas, you can leave them down in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I have tons of videos talking about other things, Polaroid related, 35mm, 110 film, and I'm gonna start getting into 120 film. So if you wanna follow that journey, go ahead and subscribe. My Instagram will also be linked down below, Aim Shoot Develop. You have glimpses of these images before they're posted online, and you can shoot me a DM, we can talk cameras and ideas. So yep, that's pretty much it. Keep shooting film, take care, peace.